Main Event. Came to Main Event and
closed.
it is closed, but you know, we'll come some other time because we just charged our cards.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we might go to Alley Cats now.
Yeah.
And people are staring at me, but that's completely fine. So now we're at Alley Cats. Let me get a thing of a thing. Yeah, cool. Now we're gonna go in there and have fun. I don't know if you could see the score, but I have an 8.
Alright, so we're gonna try some jalapeno poppers. I've never tried them before. Have you tried them before? We've never tried them before, so should we dip them in something? Ranch? Ranch. Alright, here we go.
Are they good?
I like it. It tastes almost like the nacho cheese with the jalapeno. Alright.
Going to attempt to vlog and bowl. Okay, here we go, people. Ready? I'm probably gonna fail. Hold on. Fail. Fail. Okay, here we go again. Shit. Yeah. Woo. Alright, this is easy trying to ball. There's the score. You can't see it. It's 28, 31, 58. Denise, Karen, and Javier. Javier is winning. Ready, set, goal. That would be me hitting them all but one. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna try to bowl and vlog at the same time. You can do it! I can do it. Woo! Ow! She totally smacked my ass. Alright, here we go. Ready? Oh! This is Javier. He will be doing the granny bowl. Backwards. Yay! He hit like 5 of them. Okay, I want to go strike. I want to go strike.
Javier wants a strike.
I want to strike. Strike. Come on, strike. Pray for me.
Pray for this child.
Oh, Lord.
Jesus. Jesus. Did it work? Kind of. Almost. Javier, do the granny dance for Community Channel.
What's the granny dance?
You know the granny dance. That's the granny dance, Community Channel. What's up? Now, move my finger out the way.
For Community Channel. What?
Your mom.
Your mom rates me.
Don't fall. Yeah, she knows where I leave my
Ask your mom, she knows where I leave it.
Yay! It is now my turn. Alright. Alright. Number 1!
5 minutes. We can finish the game.
Strike, baby. What? What? What did she say? Hey.
Alright, so here we go. We're gonna have to go turn in our shoes now so we can go play some arcade games. Follow the leader. Follow the leader, leader, follow the leader. Here we go. Something like that. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna put our shoes down. That's it. Alright, let's roll.
There's like nobody here.
We're like lonely. Look, there's no one here. Those are the people that like work here. Monsters. Javi wants to go do that rock climbing thing right there. That one. The ride moves. That's so cool. Yeah. Just going on the screens. Denise can't drive. I don't know how she got her license. Wrong. She's going the wrong way now. Great. Denise is in first place. Javi's in second place. That totally isn't working. She doesn't want to play anymore. I don't want to play no more. You see? I don't know what I was doing now. Telling you, I'm telling you. She's gonna get one of these.
What color, Karen?
I don't know. Whatever you want.
Does it really matter?
No.
Orange one?
Oh, I don't like orange.
So
well,
not
it does
orange.
matter. The green one, it's got pink on it.
Okay.
Alright.
He knows I like pink.
Alright, you got 100 left.
We have 100 left, you guys.
Put it like that.
You mind if I get you on camera?
I don't care.
Awesome.
Let me see if I can find another one. It looks cooler that way.
You have more balls for the pool?
Oh, snap.
So this is the guy we met at Alley Cats, wherever the hell we are.
Yeah.
He's trying to be cool. Almost.
Damn it.
We almost got it.
Oh wow. His eyeball fell under there.
Yeah. Long nights at like 2 in the morning. You get like mustaches. It's fun shit.
You want some of those sticks?
No. Can't do it.
Ah.
Well, thank you very much.
What's your name?
My name's Tony. What's your name?
Tony?
Tony.
Cody. Karen.
Close. Karen.
It's there. I was there.
My brother's girlfriend's name is Karen, so I can remember
Awesome. Are you on YouTube?
that. No.
No.
Well, you will be now. Just kidding.
You will be now.
Sweet.
You're on YouTube.
Javier, hold the balls.
Okay.
Have you holding balls? Okay, bye. So we're leaving Alley Cats and we're headed back home.
We had a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. A lot of fun.
There's like no
My
cars
hand
left.
hurts.
No cars, look.
The last one's here.
Yeah, pretty much. Those are like the
And we
employee
got
cars.
balls.
We got balls for the
Balls.
pool. Wait, who has them? Who has
Balls.
them? Laws.
Javier
Laws.
has, Javier has the balls.
Laws. How do laws come up?
Balls.
Okay, no. Don't look at our license plate. No.
Yeah, censor that.
No.
Censor that.
Okay, so here we go, you guys. Bye.